Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna for those of you who are new here. So as you can see behind me, I have a new accent wall that I am in love with it. I was so afraid to do this because I felt like it would just be too much, and you know, I'm really learning to stop sharing my vision with people before I actually execute. So needless to say, the wall is giving what it's supposed to give, and if you'd like to see how I achieved it, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really got the urge to decorate my pocket office, which is this room right back here. I bought this decal from Etsy. I can't remember the store name off the top of my head, but I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box. So I have been in my house for, it's gonna be 2 years in February, I think. And I have slowly been making like design improvements to my home and just really figuring out what my style is, because I don't want some like cookie cutter type of like decor style that I see all over social media. I just want to curate the pieces that I like and watch them all come together. This used to be the office that I did my 9-to-5 work out of, but I kind of got tired of being in that room with no windows in it, so I moved my office upstairs, and now in this room is my creative space, if you will. This is where I do my YouTube, editing, and any type of like creative work that I'll be doing will be out of that space. As you can see, the wall is very plain. There is no color in here besides the cabinets. I'm really excited about it. It is like a Dalmatian print, and I know you're probably like, what are you doing? This is gonna be looking like crazy. But I just wanted to try it out because why not? Like, I don't want my home to look cookie cutter, you know? Like, I see the same aesthetic everywhere. And while I have some pieces that look like that, like I still have my own style, and I just want everything to come together as one. So, look at Jack got a mohawk, y'all. So cute. So this is the decal I bought, and as you can see, this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna go to Ikea just to look around. Y'all, my pendant lights are here. I'm so excited. And Jackson thinks that I'm talking to him, but I'm not. So they just got here. I've been waiting for about a month for them to get delivered. So I'm gonna open them on camera with y'all so we can see what they look like. My goodness. I was not expecting them to be this big. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing yet. I haven't decided, but this is what it looks like. I have the matching light bulbs to go with it.